This 2023 Dynamax Corp DX3 37RB is a Super CRV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dynamax Corp is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a GRAYMIST cabinetry-carbon interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2023 Dynamax Corp DX3 37RB is built on a Freightliner M2 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.